Hi, my name is Greg Pepper. I'm Director of Greenway Pepper Precision Engineering Limited, and we are a high precision subcontractor. We make machine components for the aircraft, electronic, medical, scientific industries, and we supply KMF with all their small machine parts to fit into their welded sub-assemblies. Gareth first came to me regarding that he was looking at trying to get new ideas and new people into his business. So I thought it would be a good idea to sort of get involved, because apprentices are very hard to come by, and the opportunity that they've been given now with producing this clock is a fantastic opportunity for them. So Gareth came to me and asked if I'd be on the judging panel, and I gladly will. I think this is a very important time for young people coming into engineering especially. I mean, this is an ideal opportunity for them to sort of showcase what they can actually do. I mean, we know that out there's a lot of talent, but they're never given the opportunity to sort of produce something. Here they've been given an opportunity now, with the given parts and the help from KMF and themselves, to bring all their ideas forward and see what they can actually put on the marketing table. It's a fantastic opportunity just to develop their minds. I think engineering over the past few decades had a real hard press. I mean, it's not a glamorous career. When people say, what do you do for a living? I'm an engineer, they think, oh, it's dull straight away, and it's never been marketed very well either. So I think what it needs is young inspirational people coming on with all the new designs and everything that they can use. It will make it very attractive, because you've only got to look around you, and everything in the world, in your living world, is engineered one way or another. So if people can understand what engineering is all about, it doesn't have to be machining, it doesn't have to be drawing, it doesn't, it involves everything from food to beds to everything that's around us. So if we can, embody that within what the young designers want, then they've got a fantastic career ahead of them. The opportunities that engineering would give to a young school leaver are endless, really. If they went into with all due respect, a dead-end job, if they went to a supermarket or places like that, the career aspirations are pretty good, but engineering gives you a trade, and it's something for them to fall back on. So that if they did go into engineering, they did a 4-year apprenticeship and they came out with this trade, then thereafter, if they went into a different career, they could always have something that they could come back to. And engineering, like I said before, embroils a huge variety of different aspects in everyday living. And if they can, decide to take which path they want, then it is a good. It could be very rewarding, both financially, and the longevity of the career could be, to the end of their retirement. The reason why it's so important for companies like ourselves and KMF to get involved in something like this is that what we are doing is securing our future. I mean, if we were not to take up this project and start investing in young local talent, then we would have real problems in the future, because our employees are only getting older and not younger. And by bringing these young people with bright, innovative ideas, it's only going to make the company a better, going forward. We're going to have better vision, better products, and it's just the longevity, to keep the company going in years to come. The criteria of the competition, what is important to us as judges? The most important thing to us is to see something that's outside the box. We don't want the normal run-of-the-mill clock. I want to see that this child, this young apprentice potentially, has used his own ideas, his own vision, and he's not going to create something that's just a normal standard item. I don't want fancy curves or fancy colours and that lot. It's got to be right down to the final detail. I've got to know about the marketing of it. Is it practical? Is it cosmetic? Does it still look pleasing to the eye? Would you want to buy it? And which application, and where are you going to put this clock? This is so important. Now, this is a great opportunity for you youngsters. I don't want you to have your parents influence this. If you want this bad enough, you will use this. You will use your own vision, and this is what you will bring to the table. I want that finished product packaged and looking smart, so that I know this could be sold. If there are any problems at all, if you want to contact any of us, any of the judges, we can give you help. Anything on materials, cosmetics, aesthetics, anything to do with the actual product, we're here for you. You can contact us. But most of all, the most important thing is that I don't want this to be a chore. I want you to enjoy it. This is something you should be proud of. If you're not enjoying it, then you're not going to be an engineer. Have fun.